start with a good title and thumbnail.
Believe it or not, next you add music. And then offer some compelling content.
What are you doing, Dee?
Oh, just thinking. Our friend is bringing us what he calls sweet lemon. And yes, they're the size of a watermelon. And they grow on the tree up here. There's one right up there on the tree. Sweet lemon.
Sweet lemon.
Uh-huh.
So many customers bringing every year.
I see. And what is your name?
Sri Gandan,
Sri Gandan.
my name.
My name Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Coming from
America.
America.
Yeah, we love Kerala.
Okay.
Sometimes we walk along the beach and tell stories or look for interesting things. Surfers in this case.
There's a little stream from the backwaters in Kovalam. And so this is fresh water going to the ocean. And these crows are real happy playing in it. Actually, it's not play, it's cleaning up after a full day's work. And I'm sure they're really enjoying it too. Look at that. They're so smart. Oh, they're having so much fun. Nice afternoon. Panning back to the original spot. Look at that. These guys are so engaged. Yay. Bath time. Go ahead, I'm no threat. Yoo-hoo. Nice and cool, that water. I'm in it now myself. Yay. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. That's how it's done. Thank you.
Hi there. Happy holidays. We've traveled to over 50 countries in the last few years and tried to bring videos and shorts that sort of capture the experience. We're kind of low-key budget travelers, but still you get a feeling in a sense, and we try to get that somehow to come across to you so you can also enjoy and come along with us on our pleasant journeys. Thanks. Now you can give an invitation to watch some more videos.
Pleasant journeys.